Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best electric string trimmer available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best electric string trimmer, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Worx String Trimmer Cordless. Get all your edging and trimming done with just one tool. Save yourself the expense of buying a separate edger. Blow speed, 120 miles per hour. Just pull the head away from the shaft and twist to switch it from a trimmer into an edger. It only takes a few seconds. The same battery powers over 75 plus 20 volts, 40 volts, and 80 volts lifestyle, garden, and power tools in the PowerShare family. Command feed is our on-demand line delivery technology. No bumping or auto feed that relies on a timer. When you need fresh line, just push the button. The head pivots 90 so you can reach under and around shrubs and landscaping, or trim on sloped land. It telescopes out for taller users, and slides back in. This also makes it easy to store, so you can get a comfortable grip. It also enables you to gain leverage when you have to bend down low. 20 volts grass trimmer and edger, 20 volts 2.0R battery, 2A charger, spool, edger wheels. Number 2. Ego Power Plus String Trimmer Kit. Power load technology. Load your line, push a button and go. Get up to 45 minutes of runtime on a single charge with the included 56 volts 2.5 ARC lithium battery. Telescopic aluminium shaft quickly fits your height for ultimate comfort. High efficiency brushless motor, 15 inches. Cutting swath, professional grade, dual line spiral twist 0.095 inches line, variable speed with 2 speed settings. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER LST300 String Trimmer. 2-inch -1 cordless trimmer and edgy cuts along borders, sidewalks and flower beds and easily converts between trimmer and wheeled edger, trimming areas of overgrowth after mowing. Charger type jack plug. Battery amp hours, 2R. Lightweight and easy to handle with adjustable height handles. Automatically feeds more line with no bumping necessary thanks to automatic spool feed technology. Power drive transmission delivers more power from the motor to the cutting string so you can get the job done faster. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER LST136 String Trimmer. Easily converts from a cordless string trimmer to an edger for versatile use. Max RPM, 8,500 RPM. Continuously feeds trimmer line without bumping for seamless, uninterrupted trimming. Line diameter, 0.065 inches. Delivers increased torque for greater string power and cutting action in thicker grass and weeds. Toggle between max power to tackle thick weeds and max runtime to trim longer. Provide convenient, customizable comfort and control for extended use. 40 volts max lithium-ion battery is compatible with other tools within the system and features a charge indicator to show the battery's charge level. Number 5. SKIL LT4818 String Trimmer. Includes one 2.5R battery and one auto PWR jump charger to keep you powered up. Lightest in ITS class, compared to 40V competitive brands. Powerful performance. The digital brushless motor provides efficient, high-performance power for longer tool life without the hassle of gas. Longer runtime and battery life. Industry-leading PWR Core 40 lithium battery technology wraps each cell with cooling material to keep it powering on for 25% longer runtime and 2x battery life. Easy to load. The twist load head allows you to simply insert the line and twist to get started.